Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to do partial fractions and decompose rational expressions. So, first off, the reason why we would do this is we might get something that can be represented by the fraction x plus 14 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 8. So that is a very nice, compact way to write this particular fraction. The problem is certain things that you would need to do in calculus are very difficult to do with the fraction in this format. So I'm actually going to work with something a little bit more complex for this video. We're going to do the partial fraction decomposition of 9x squared minus 9x plus 6 divided by 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So what we want to do with this is write it as a sum of fractions. So that can be a over 2x minus 1 plus b over x plus 2 plus c over x minus 2. But now, let's go ahead and clear this equation of fractions. So I can do that and multiply everything together. So I get 9x squared minus 9x plus 6 is equal to a. I have the 2x minus 1 in the denominator that cancels out, but I still need an x plus 2 times x minus 2. Then plus b. This time the x plus 2 cancels out, but I still need a 2x minus 1 and an x minus 2. And then plus c multiplied by 2x minus 1 times x plus 2. The x minus 2 went away because it cancels out with the denominator. Well, now let's do a little bit of simplifying. So x plus 2 times x minus 2 is x squared minus 4. Then here, multiplying out the polynomial, I get 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. Then plus c multiplied by 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. I can now go ahead and distribute the a, b, and c. I still need the full thing on the right-hand side. So we get a x squared minus 4a plus 2b x squared minus 5bx plus 2b plus 2c x squared plus 3cx minus 2c. And now we'll go ahead and combine like terms based on the proper powers of x on the right-hand side. So we end up getting a plus 2b plus 2c. I may have gotten cut off a little bit there, so I'll go ahead and say it, plus 2c multiplied by x squared. Do the same thing for the terms containing x. So I have negative 5b plus 3c. That was there and there. Times x, and then plus negative 4a plus 2b minus 2c. Well, now the reason that I did that is that everything with an x squared is here. Everything with an x is here. And then everything with nothing after the number is here. So what this does is it actually gives us a system of equations a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 9, minus 5b plus 3c is equal to negative 9. And then finally, minus 4a plus 2b minus 2c is equal to 6. I can put this into my calculator as a matrix. 1, 2, 2, 9. Minus 0, minus 5, 3, minus 9, minus 4, 2, minus 2, 6. And let's go ahead and punch that into the calculator. It's going to take me a little bit of time to get this in here. And I end up getting the row equivalent matrix 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 2. Which means if I come up here to where we started, a is negative 1. So I get negative 1 over 2x minus 1 plus b was 3. So 3 over x plus 2. And then c was 2. So 2 over x minus 2 is equal to our original statement, 9x squared minus 9x plus 6 over 2x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to take a look at a couple of special situations that you could have to deal with when doing this.